and shallot. I'm gonna just cut the tomatoes pretty big, cubic, and then I'm gonna mix up with the salad later. I'm gonna take cucumber. I'm also gonna peel it. It's a little bit of choice also as well. Just like this. Also gonna cut this in cubic. So next step, I'm gonna start making the sauce. And I prepared a little bit by roasting red pepper. So this is actually gonna be mixed, but I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit roughly first. Just gonna chop this as well. Then half a small red chili. If you want it spicy, just add more chili. Next step. If you don't, now I'm gonna mix this with a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can also take a food processor or, well, how can I say, a KitchenAid. Also is possible. Oh, yes, what? I'm gonna take some lime juice to this as well, as for a start. Also, lemon juice is good if you don't have lime juice. Then I'm gonna mix everything with olive oil. And in this case, the salad is a bit, how can I say, it's influenced by Nordic kitchen. So, now I'm gonna add olive oil. A little bit at a time. So now, just salt and pepper. And I also got a little bit raspberry vinegar. I'm gonna take and blanch broccoli. I'm gonna cook broccoli quick in salted water, and then I'm gonna put it in ice, just to keep it a little bit crispy for the salad. But my water is not boiling, so I'm gonna start with the tuna. So the tuna loin. Gonna take a little bit salt and pepper on it. And then I'm just gonna fry it easy. Warm pan is important in this case. So while I'm doing this, I'm also gonna add broccoli to the warm water. So this is actually a quick procedure. It goes 15-20 seconds on each side. Of course, it depends on the size of the tuna, but in this case. So now, this one is ready. I'm just going to let it sit and rest on the side. Because it doesn't need to be totally warm. It's okay if it's a little bit room temperature. Not so much, just also to get a little bit texture. And all the vegetables are cut about the same size. So, the salad, not going to need so much. I'm actually not going to dress this with the dressing, so I'm going to put it directly in the serving dish. So, also cut, well, a little bit cubic, everything about the same size. So now the broccoli should be done. So now I'm going to take this in ice water. Now I'm going to let this stay in 1-2 minutes in cold water, and when the broccoli is cold, I'm going to put it on a towel. I'm going to move this away. So, now the salad is almost done. I have my dressing, I have my tuna, I have my salad, and I have my vegetables. I'm going to take the sauce I made, add to the vegetables, mix, add on top. Halfway done, gonna take the tuna, which I seared earlier, and which is raw. It's just a little bit color on the outside. Cubic also, so everything is about the same size. I'm gonna add this on the salad. And I'm not going to need everything. About 100 grams is good for one portion. I had a little bit extra. I'm going to take boiled eggs, regular boiled eggs. Nothing special, but good. Add on top. Going to take a little bit more of the sauce. The roasted pepper sauce. And then finally, I'm gonna add garlic chips. So this is the ready product. This is tuna salad, boiled eggs, garlic chips, a little bit inspired for the summer, and a good dish for a warm day. Bon appetit.